Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Yeah. Yeah. She say.
My budget today is $100, so let's see if we can do that. All right.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket.
I found this from Fashion Nova. It has the original tag on it. I guess it didn't fit somewhere. It's actually pretty cute. I don't think it's gonna fit me though, so I'll probably put it up on my site. It's actually great material. And we actually found another item from Fashion Nova, which is really funny. Oh yeah. Cute. This is cute too. I think it's cute. You could do something with it. Level X. Do you remember Level X?
Yeah. Remember when you were a teenager? Exactly.
We don't like Level X.
Yeah.
They are scammers.
Bro, we got into a big argument with them in the store
Yes.
about a
We don't
return.
like Level X.
Are they even still around? I don't even know.
Oh, let me get one. Okay, I found like maybe every time I go to GoodWill, I see a lot of these camis. They're really cute. You guys want to throw them on with some slacks or some jeans. They're actually so simple to style, so that's like a tip for you guys. It's not gonna fit me. She's thick.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna fit me, but I can put it in for consideration.
Okay.
So this one is actually from H&M, and it still has the tags on it. It's a cute bodysuit. It's cute. I don't know. This is from Saks Fifth.
Around the store playing with balls, riding bikes, sitting speed at your style,
feels
all
like
time for
Liz.
the safety of themselves and the convenience of other shoppers. Thank you. Have a great day.
It's me. This is from YEEZY. It's not gonna fit me.
Okay.
It's cute.
I like it. So I found these. They're a 7.5, and they're from Forever 21. They don't really fit me, but I think they would be cute. I call these my church shoes. I love them because they look very like old ladyish, but honestly I think they have the perfect flair about them, and I absolutely love the embroidered applique that's on it, and I definitely am gonna add more. This is gonna be one of my DIY projects. I think it'd be so dope to add them to the back of the heel, kind of like how the Prada heels have the flame going off the shoe. I think I might do something like that. I think these are so cute. Alright, these are so classic. I had to pick up another pair. I do have like simple pump nudes, and they're actually by Jessica Simpson, but those are a little bit too big. This was actually the perfect size. As for these bad boys, these bring back memories of like early 2000s when everybody was rocking these Timberland boot mocks and stuff like that. These aren't the actual authentic ones, but they're so dope. I love them. I can't wait to style it. And these remind me of the first heels I ever DIY. They're so awesome. I love them so much. And they're sexy, and they go with like anything, to be honest. These Adidas baggy sweats, I got them in the men's section. You guys know I kill the men's section. That's normally the first section I shop in because I love styling men's pieces with like heels or a nice bodysuit, something real sexy to like offset the masculine look. You know what I'm talking about. And I love the zipper details. I love everything about this. As for this bodysuit, like I am serving body right now. And normally I'm not this risky, but this is so dope. And I'd pair it just like this. So basically I'm in love with this velvet blazer, and it's actually from Banana Republic. It's so dope. It fits me so well. You can wear it without a bra and it could give you that sexy tease, you know, the look that I'm going for. So cute. This was one of those splurges where I was just like, I don't necessarily need it, but I definitely thought it'd be a good staple piece for my wardrobe to sell. You know, I'm not sure yet. This bag I also picked up. I didn't necessarily need it, but I feel like it's so cute. It's good for daytime, and I basically got it for nighttime, but it's really versatile. I love small bags. I've been loving them lately. I'm gonna be killing them, so like be on the lookout for that because I'm obsessed with them. Is anybody else obsessed? Like, is it just me? And then here's another small bag. Like, I love this one so much. My mama hated this one. She's just like, I don't get it, but I feel like it's really classic. Now this one was the come up. This one is actually my favorite one I got like this whole day. I love it so much. It's actually from 9 West. And it has all these compartments. It's perfect. I could wear it on a daily basis. It could set off any look, to be honest. And I'd wear it just like this. These pants, they're so nice. I wish they actually fit my waist, but this will probably be on my site so you guys can snag it. It's actually really comfortable. I love how big it is. I just wish it fit my waist, but it might fit one of you guys. You guys know I can kill a pair of joggers from the men's section. Look at these. They make my butt look really good, and I feel like they'd go with a cute denim jacket or any crop jacket. They're just so cute. Alright guys, that concludes my haul for today. I loved everything that I got. I'm so excited to style literally every look for you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how I styled some of these pieces. I'm going to leave everything below, and subscribe and like, and let me know which look or which item you loved the most.